What's up guys, so as we are getting close to the Samsung Unpacked Event 2020, we are getting leaks of the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 models from everywhere on the internet. First of all, let's talk about the new generation of the Corning Gorilla Glass. So instead of the Gorilla Glass 7, they are calling it Gorilla Glass Victus and claiming it's the most durable glass in the mobile phone history ever. And none of the glass manufacturer competitors have even come close to it. And they are claiming that in their test, Gorilla Glass Victus survive drops from up to 2 meters and which is almost 6.5 feet, and that sounds very good, and I can almost see the future in which we don't have to use any screen protector or temper glass on our mobile phone and we can use them naked without any body. And now let's move on to the Samsung Galaxy Note 20. So yesterday I made a video on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra and its specification list, and today we got the specification list of the Samsung Galaxy Note 20. First of all, let's talk about the screen of the Samsung Galaxy Note 20. So we got a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display and 60Hz of refresh rate, and that's sad because we don't even get a 90Hz that we get in this OnePlus Nord mobile phone, which costs almost half of the price of the Samsung Galaxy Note 20. And on the front side of the Samsung Galaxy Note 20, instead of the Gorilla Glass 7, we are getting just Gorilla Glass 5. And the worst part is that we are getting a plastic bag on the back of the Samsung Galaxy Note 20, and which make it even more look like a Samsung Galaxy A series, which is mid-range mobile phone from the Samsung. And if I talk about the processor, it is still the same as the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. In some region, you will get the Snapdragon 865 Plus processor, and if you live in some other regions, you will get Exynos 990 processor, which is even less as we compare to the Snapdragon 865 processor. And we will get 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage in the Samsung Galaxy Note 20. And if we talk about the main camera of the Samsung Galaxy Note 20, we will get a triple camera, but it's sad that we are not going to get a 108 megapixel sensor in the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 as we are getting in the Note 20 Ultra. So the main camera will be 12 megapixel with the aperture of f1.8, and the ultra wide angle camera is also going to be 12 megapixel with the aperture of 2.2. And there will be a 64 megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom instead of 5x optical zoom we are getting in Note 20 Ultra. With 30x space zoom instead of 50x space zoom we are getting in Note 20 Ultra 5G variant. And front camera will be the same as the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, 10 megapixel camera with the aperture of 2.2. And video recording and cellular links and all other things will be same as the Note 20 Ultra, but there is a difference in the S Pen. So the S Pen we are getting in the Note 20 Ultra is improved with the latency of just 9 milliseconds, but in Note 20 Simple model we are getting the S Pen with latency of 26 milliseconds, which is exactly same as the Note 9. I don't know why, but the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 looks more like a mid-range mobile phone instead of the flagship mobile phone from Samsung. And the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 is going to come in 3 colors: Mystic Black, Mystic Bronzy and Mystic Green. So tell me what you think about the Samsung Galaxy Note 20, and that's all about today's video. And if you like this video, give thumbs up to this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I'll see you in another video. Until peace out.